Ron Huegli, curator for World of Speed Motorsports Museum here in Wilsonville, Oregon. I am standing next to what, in my opinion, is probably the most beautiful Ferrari that was ever built. It is a 1964 250 GTL, or Lusso, as we like to call them. This car came onto the scene in 1962 as a continuation of the great 250 GT line for Grand Touring cars. What's to say about this absolutely beautifully designed Pininfarina car that was bodied by Scaglietti? The long, sloping, beautiful, graceful, in my opinion, front fenders that drop down. The trademark 1950 style cheese grater grille in front opening with that powerful 250 V12 Colombo engine in the car. These cars with the beautiful Ferrari wheels, they just exuded elegance and style. But they also had some great performance as well, based off of the fact that they had had almost 10 years worth of development with the 250 GT line mechanically. This car is also one of the very few cars that is said to be owned by Enzo. Enzo actually had one of these and drove them quite a bit. Another famous person that had the forethought that realized this was probably a beautiful Ferrari was Steve McQueen. And when you've got somebody like Steve McQueen that wants to own one of these, what's to say but the fact that this is not only beautiful but cool. These cars are incredible. They have skyrocketed in value and popularity. They only made 330 models in the 18-month period that the car was available from '63 to 1964, which just is a testament to the collectability of this car. Come see this one and others of the other great Ferraris we have at our exhibit. Thank you.